radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
Coffee, check. Shower, malamig eh. Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome to the Morning Brew. It's DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. We are coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon for 11 straight years now, the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. And welcome to the second hour already of this radio show. But for the live streaming video, it's just the first hour. All right. Okay. Usually we start the live streaming a little late because una mga music muna, di ba? But the thing is, it's very difficult to stream music to live video music on Facebook. Pag narinig ka ni Mark Zuckerberg, if there's music on your live video on Facebook, your video will be blocked, will be deleted, will be extinguished, will be terminated, will be murdered, will be killed. Ayaw na ayaw ni paring Mark Zuckerberg na may music. Copyright daw eh. O, kahit na radio station ka pa. Yun lang ang nakakalungkot doon, ano? Kahit na radio station ka, you have all the pertinent licenses and documents and permits to operate a radio station. Still, you're not allowed to play music on Facebook. Copyright pa rin daw yun. Pero tinatanong naman nila, di ba, pagka when you create the Facebook page, what industry you belong to, nilalagay mo naman, radio station, di ba? It's kind of crazy, right? Mm-hmm. The word is control freak. Yeah, I understand control freak, but there's too much control freak sometimes. It goes for humans as well. Well, humans naman may control nun eh, di ba? Sa mga humans ganyan eh, di ba? Merong control freak, merong too much control freak. It's so crazy, di ba? Sometimes they prohibit you, they ban you from doing something. They parang binabawalan ka from doing something. And if you listen to the reasons minsan, the reason why they're making bawal to you, it's crazy. It's unbelievable. Oh, nakakatawa yung mga rason sa pagbabawal sa iyo minsan. Oh, ang totoo behind it, ayaw lang sa iyo. Inis lang sa iyo kaya binabawalan ka gawin yung gusto mong ginagawa. Baka sumikat ka kasi, baka matabunan mo sila eh. Ganun lang yun eh. Di ba? Nakakatawa. Nakakatawa. Ha 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 ha. I'm laughing. Ha 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 ha. But anyways, nonetheless, life goes on. Check the time. It's now 11:33 in the morning. And the time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. All right. Of course, for this month, for the month of July pa rin naman, they have two promos that's ongoing. Okay. And I'll tell you about, well, one of the promos that's ongoing at Royal Duty Free. Okay. Or I'm gonna tell you both. Pareho na. Yung isa, it's called the Stars and Stripes Selections, July 4 to 18. In celebration of the American Independence Day. And in the Philippines, it's Filipino-American Friendship Day. Yan, July 4 to 18. Ongoing yan, ha? Okay? Enjoy up to 20% off on selected imported items. All right? And amazing deals on gourmet treats, premium spirits, and more. All right? So celebrate the American Festival. Ang highlight dito, the American brands. And the other one is the Chocolate Carnival Festival. All right? So sa mga chocolate lovers naman to, July 7 to August 7. Okay? Spend 500 pesos on participating chocolate brands and get the chance to spin the wheel of chocolates for instant prizes. May spin a wheel churba ka doon. I'm gonna bring my little Tommy there para mag-spin ng wheel siya. Ayan. So check it out. All right? The Chocolate Carnival Festival and the Stars and Stripes selections ongoing at Royal Duty Free. Check out their social media pages, and they're on Instagram, they're on Facebook. Also, they have the official website, www.royalsubic.com, okay, where the catalog is always posted. Their catalog, they have their catalog there, diba? Also, you may call 2523-258 AA. Okay, the landline hotline number yon. Okay. So on with today's holidays and observances. This time it's being brought to you by Wawas Junior, Subic Bay Freeport Branch. Bukas na po ulit ang Subic Bay Freeport Branch. And it's located at number 18, stall number 18, one-stop shop building, just beside the Subic Gym and Remy Field. Yung mga nag-aabang matagal na, bukas na po ulit ang Wawas Junior. Nag-close kasi for a short period of time. They're back! They're back! Your favorite best tasting flame grilled ito ha, tapos quarter pounder burgers. Social ang pagkakagawa kasi flame grilled, ano, yung patties. You know, that's the best way to do burgers, i-flame grilled mo. Kumbaga parang iihawin mo, yun, ganun. Okay, so do check it out, the best tasting burgers at Wawas Junior Subic Bay Freeport Branch. Meron din sa Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch. Okay, so if you want yours delivered, 0927-950-8775 for the Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch. And dito naman sa Subic Bay Freeport, of course, 0927-895-9714. Also, if you happen to be in Dinalupihan, check out the following eateries as well. Naku, masarap din kumain dito. Ma, I'm hungry. Yun yung isa. Talagang kainan ng dating, no? Pangalan pa lang, Ma, I'm hungry. Okay, Ma, make me dinner. Also, Taco Bataan. Yan, okay, if you're in Dinalupihan. And Cafe Lipina. So, check out those eateries there. Yan, okay. So, on with today's holidays and observances, July 19. Wow, time flies so fast. Malapit na matapos si July. Papasok na si paring Augusto Jorge Lacasad Jr. Pero ang birthday talaga niya sa October. Hindi sa August. Pangalan lang niya. July 19 is Celebration of the Horse. Actually, it's a weekend long celebration, 19 to 21. Tuwing third weekend ito ng July. Celebration of the Horse Day. Some people are big fans of horses. Diba? Even I myself, I'm a big fan of horses. If I have the money, I'll buy one. Mas gusto kong transportation yan, horse. Kesa motorized vehicle, di ba? Tsaka nowadays parang if you're going places nakakabayo ka, parang ano no? Parang nabubuhay in the past pa rin no. Pero yeah, I would love to ride a horse. I haven't ridden a horse yet. The last time, the closest thing to it I've gotten is yung what do you call that, the kalesa, being pulled by a horse. Hindi naman ako nakasakay sa horse talaga, doon ako sa karuwahe. When I was just a little kid back then, yun, sumakay kami, my mom and my dad, in Manila. Believe it or not, guys, in the 80s, may mga kalesa pa in the streets of Manila. Yeah, oo, na umiikot. Mga karuwahe, kalesa, hinihila ng kabayo. You know, and then 90s came, they started to, mawala na. Yun. Yeah, but yeah, up to the 80s, they're around. Yeah, I was a kid then. Yan. In Manila. Yeah. Tapos ano pa, meron pang bus noon na gustong-gusto ko. Also in the 80s. Nung panahon na may kalesa pa, may mga kabayong umiikot. Meron ding double-decker bus na umiikot in Manila noon. Oh. Tapos one of them, yung isa sa mga brand nila ang nakalagay, ang nakasulat na brand is Manila Bus. Which means in English, Bus of Manila. Yun. Oo. Kasi baka nisip niyo yung peanut showing. Yun. Nabanggit ko lang kasi celebration of the Horse Day today. Yeah. May Manila Bus noon na umiikot. Sayang nawala na yon. Double-decker bus yun sarap sumakay doon. Parang even though transportation talaga, commute talaga siya that takes you places, para ka na rin nagtutour of Manila lang. Parang tourist lang kasi double-decker open air yung sa taas. Ganun, yeah. Okay. And next up we have July 19 is also Pajama Day. Park and Recreation Professionals Day. Ayan. Meron tayong mga park and recreation din dito sa Subic Bay Freeport. Yung mga nagme-maintain and nag-guide, nag-ranger sa inyo, those are the professionals that this celebration is talking about. Park and Recreation Professionals Day. And July 19 is also Robin Hood Day. Are you guys familiar with Robin Hood? The younger generation, baka hindi nakilala si Robin Hood, Ayan. He's a mythical character, si Robin Hood, who steals from the rich to give it to the poor. Yan, okay? May mga nagmo-modern day, nagtatry niyan nag-i-emulate niyan who steals from the rich, pero they never gave anything to the poor. Tinabi na lang. Lastly, Words with Friends Day. When was the last time you had words with your friends? I had a couple of words with my friends kahapon. Oh, sadly, during the wake of Kuya Ben Natividad, our BACC president, he passed away. And the first night of his wake was last night. So I had my talk with my VACC friends and SBMA friends as well. For those who don't know, hanggang tonight na lang po yung kanyang wake sa Subic Gym. Nandun si Kuya Ben waiting for you. Kasi ililipat siya eh. I know for a fact dadalhin siya sa Manila. So hanggang tonight na lang ha. You guys go there early. Dahil tonight na rin siya ililipat. Okay? Last night of wake ni Kuya Ben dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, sa Subic Gym, before he gets, transported somewhere else. Perhaps in their hometown where he's from originally. Okay? So, moving on, those are today's holidays and observances, July 19. Also, flight attendants, safety professionals, meron ba pahabol? Okay, July 19 is also Raspberry Cake Day, something that's yummy for you. Okay, so there you have it. And next up, we have the famous birthday segment, Celebrities and the Like, celebrating the birthdays today. Check it out.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Dieter Ocampo, happy birthday to you. July 19, 1973. Kaedad ko pala si Dieter Ocampo, no? Kaya pala may pagkakahawig kami. He was born July 19, 1973 din. Pareho kami. So that means he turns 51 today. In fairness, Dieter Ocampo, hindi mukhang 51, Parang 50 lang. Pero mostly talaga, napapansin ko lang, pagka if you're born in 1973, marami kasi mga nakakasabayan ko no? Mga gwapo tsaka magaganda. Bias no? Kasi birth year niya no? And actress Alessandra De Rossi, July 19, 1984. Jared Padalecki of Supernatural. You guys remember Supernatural? Si Sammy Winchester. Kapatid niya si Dean Winchester. Played by what's his name? Si Dean Winchester. I forgot. Pero si Jared Padalecki. Yeah, one of the bida. Dalawa sila magkapatid. Their role there in Supernatural, one of the TV series that lasted long. I think is it still ongoing? I think it's still ongoing, no? So there you go. He turns 42 today. All right. Benedict Cumberbatch. He played the role of Sherlock Holmes, and what else? He was also in the Academy Award-winning 12 Years a Slave, and of course, Doctor Strange. He is Doctor Strange. He turns 48 today. Queen guitarist, original member, founding member of the band Queen, Brian May, July 19, 1947. So he turns 77 today. All right. Here's a cool fact about him. He studied mathematics and physics. All right, and earned a PhD. Ayan. Hindi nyo alam yan, no? Maraming rockista na ganyan eh. Merong distinguished accolades tucked under their belt. Yeah, yung Iron Maiden Iron Maiden founding member and lead vocalist, I forgot his name. Pero he has a degree in aeronautics engineering. He can fly a plane. He can do maintenance for sophisticated machines. Oh, galing. Kasi they got big brains you know. Mali minsan yung impression kasi ng iba pag metal ka, yung rockista ka, metal lang ka yung ulo, utak. Karamihan po sa kanila matatalino, mga henyo. May pagka-weirdo lang. Ganyan ang mga rockista. Oh, di nyo alam, matataba ang utak ng mga yan, karamihan sa rockista. Mga bandista, ganyan. Matatabang utak. Parang aning-aning lang minsan, parang babaliw-baliw lang. Pero mga henyo yung mga yan, huwag nyong susubukan. Yan. So shout out sa mga tropa kong bandista. mga musikerong ka po. Kayo yung tinutukoy ko rito. Alam niyo na yung mga sarili, kilala niyo yung mga sarili niyo. Ang dami niyo eh, hindi ko pwede isa-isahin eh. Yan. Basta ang alam ko, mga rockista, mga bandista, mga metal, mga tropa, mga musicians, yan. Matatalino yung mga yan. Kaya nga sila naging musicians eh, di ba? Hindi basta-basta ang music. Music is also music is not just music. Music is also a tool for healing. In case you don't know, kaya nga may mga frequencies healing frequencies na pinag-aaralan na kita mo ngayon pangalang napapag-aralan ng science na pwede palang healing tool or healing or medicine ang different frequencies. Tagal na yan eh. Si Nikola Tesla has been talking about it noon pa 1800s pa 'di ba? Yung mga musician nating tropa alam na yan. 'Di ba? Ganun sila katatalino. Kaya huwag niyong iismulin, huwag niyong babasta-bastahin. Okay? Kahit na rockista yan na kung magsuot ng damit mukhang weirdo, mukhang syunga. Matatalino yan. Okay? And Brian May, nabanggit ko lang kasi si Brian May, he has a PhD in mathematics and physics, 'di ba? Tsaka kung titingnan mo siya, may pagkakahawig siya kay may pagkakahawig siya kay Albert Einstein na hinaluan ni Dr. Bean. Yeah, okay. So, yun lang. Alright. So, sino pa? Wala na. Itong mga ibang to, hindi ko nakilala to. So, there you have it, celebrities and the likes. Celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you, July 19. Nagmamadali ako masyado, 20-something na. 19 lang. Sa bagay, bukas 20 na. July 19, birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. All right. Text me up 0910-6909-501. For the meantime, here's Queen. All right, with today's birthday celebrant Brian May celebrating his 77th year. 77 years old na si paring Brian May of Queen. And here's one of their hit songs, Crazy Little Thing Called Love.